So you landed on this video because you want to see my profits in Copy Pro Trader, right? All right, I'm gonna show it to you. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, as well as this one. And look, we're going to get into it. If you've been following my journey, then, I told you I'm going to document, my profits from beginning to end. So we started off with, let me look at my board. We started off with 1,078.68. Now, I'm going to give you the exact number. All right, 1,078.68. And that was on the 8th. So, what was that, the 10th? So about a week ago, like that. So about a week ago, and we've been running. So let's go see where we at now. Now remember, we told you we're gonna be doing like 2% gains. That's what we expecting, 2% a day. So I'm gonna dive right into my profits and go show you where we at. So right now, you can see on my Kraken exchange, okay, not some Ponzi back office or something stupid like that, okay. But right here, you can see that we are currently 121. So right now we start off with 78 and so it's 20. So we got $42 profit. Not bad. So $42 profit in, what is that, 10 days? So 10 days we got $42 profit, and we also have one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7 trades right now going as we speak. So that's what you see right here. So these are all actively trades. Now I only trade $100 a trade, right? With this current account. So I'm doing $100 a trade. So as you can see, some of these are already over that, and she can close out at any time. This is set and forget. I don't mess with this. I'm not back here. I don't close these things out. I let the trader do what they do, and when they close out, I take profit. Okay. So, and I just wake up and look at my back office and see $122 sitting back there, and and all gains. So you can see back here, you can see all the trades that she's taken. You can see just how much she's already taken, like over 6,000 and going 368 right there USD towards these fees, so that I can get even a break when it comes down, because she's trading so much volume. You can come over here and see all the trades that was taken. Okay, so everything transparent. You see everything. And it's your exchange. That's the main thing I want to stress enough. It is your exchange. So whatever trades you take, whatever orders, you see these are all the orders that actually close. Okay, so you can see that she's really, really taking these trades. The same trade she takes on her end, it's the same trades that you're gonna get on your end. That's what's cool about it. She has money vested in herself. It's not just her trading our accounts. It's her having money vested. So she's going to make sure she's going for the best trades possible. And then in turn, that's going to trickle back to us. So I want you, like I said, we're going to follow this journey, this account. Like I said, I'm just going to leave it where it's at. I'm going to let it keep on growing. Maybe I'll put more in, but if I do, I'll document that as well, so that you guys can see it, you know what I mean? And then that way you can follow, and we can follow, we can see the good, the bad, and the ugly, whether it dips, whether it rise. We're gonna show it all, and then that way we can see, because me, my saying, documentation beat conversation. So the more documentation we have, the better. So we're gonna document this thing to the stratosphere, so that way later, if I'm talking to anybody and saying, well, how do I know this thing work, or do you have any proof? I'll be like, look, let's go to my channel and go look in the playlist that says Copy Pro Traders, and then go and have at it, and then you'll be able to see my whole journey. So that's what we're going to do, guys, because this is phenomenal. It's been super, super accurate thus far. She's been on point, and hey, I'm looking forward to see what this is going to look like months on end. I'm still new here, so if you're looking at this video, this is probably my second week in, so yeah, so now let's start watching it together. So I'm going to be doing videos periodically, as the profits keep on accumulating, then I'll just keep doing recaps. All right, so today is, let's see what today is, so we know. So today is March 17th. So today is March 17th. Wednesday, March 17th. So we'll come back and see what this looks like down the line, and then people can use this as a timestamp. And these videos you'll be able to use as like social proof. It's like, okay, it's working because I've been watching this brother since March 17th, you know, and this is where he's at June 17th. You know what I mean? So that's how we do it. Or I was watching March 17th in 2021. This is where he's at March 17th, 2022. Because we're going to ride this thing to the stratosphere. All right? All right. So, hey, if you want to see what the Copy Pro Trades is all about, I mean, it's awesome because the nice thing about it is, like I said, it's your exchange. All the funds stay there. You only have to pay $99 a month to have this active and going, and you can make that up in just profits alone. Then if you refer somebody, $21 per person, 7 levels down, you get $7. Simple comp plan instantly to your Bitcoin wallet, so you ain't got to worry about your money being held up and waiting for a company to pay you. You get paid the same day that the person signed up. I mean, this is just a phenomenal program, and I'm so happy I found it, because with so much nonsense out there and all these stupid push button Ponzi's and flower programs, daisies and things and all this stuff that's out there, man, and you know, it's just holds your money up. Now your money's all trapped and stuff, and you can't get it out, or it's in some contract and you gotta keep it in there for some weeks or for some months even just to cash out your principal. Man, no, we're not doing that. Okay, so if you like what you see, do me a favor, hit that link below. All right, cptelite.com, and we get you going. Or if you got questions, you know, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. All right. All right. So I appreciate you. Again, we're gonna ride this out together. All right, guys. So let's do this journey, and we're gonna document it all. All right. So until the next one, have a blessed day.